Since 1960s, when hairdryers have spread over the world, there was little substantial change in its technology. Normally, when using traditional hairdryer, we have to stand in a place where a socket is nearby to blow dry our hair. So for girls with long hair, that usually takes more than 10 minutes. And the intake is right in the back of traditional hairdryer, doubling the risks of getting your hair sucked into the intake. Therefore, we've been wondering where there is a type of hairdryer that could fast blow dry hair but is cordless, sparing troubles of taking care of their hair every day for females. Then, LYLUX comes out. LYLUX is a cordless hairdryer with fast drying, which shortens the time of blow-drying hair to only 5 to 7 minutes each time. While it takes traditional hairdryer 10 minutes to blow-dry your hair, with a wireless fast-charging base, it takes only 1 hour to get fully charged. Savor the pleasure in the fast-paced world. LYLUX cordless hairdryer can also prevent the possibility of hair being sucked into the hairdryer, and the hair inlet flitter that is thinner. Then the hair can 100% prevent the risk of hair being sucked. Usually, most pets don't stay still when their owners are blow-drying them, while LYLUX removes the imitation for you so that you can blow-dry your pet anywhere they want. Beyond space limitation, LYLUX cordless hairdryer is small in size, does not hog up space, and its endurance is an hour, perfect for individual and family travel. No matter you are going swimming or hitting the gym, take LYLUX on the go. LYLUX satisfies a family's daily needs for a hairdryer, giving you and your family a relaxing and pleasant experience of hair care. LYLUX Airflow Multiplier technology spins up to 100,000 RPM, propelling 10 liters of air every second, with a wind speed of 40 meters per second wind, and its airflow is 3 times as much as that of regular hairdryer. Fast blow-drying is then achieved. LYLUX cordless hairdryer comes with 6 pieces, 18,650 high-performance batteries, which guarantees its endurance. Traditional hair-drying technology relies on hot air to do the trick, while excessive temperature leads to the water in the cortex evaporate rapidly, causing cavities in the mandibular layer and damage to the cuticle. LYLUX hairdryer can fast blow-dry the moisture on the surface of hair to avoid high air temperature, gently blowing dry the water to prevent a cavity in the mandibular layer. Damaged hair tends to lack moisture and shine, with its fast drying and controlled styling to help increase smoothness, shine, and decrease frizz and flyaways. LYLUX save all the worries for you. Intelligent temperature control technology of LYLUX hairdryer is to prevent hair from extreme heat damage. Healthy hair tends to be shiny and great. Huizhou Carco Technology Company Limited is an emergency power supply manufacturing enterprise founded in 2011 in Guangdong, China. From R&D to production and assembly, we have comprehensive production process and technical patents. Our CEO and main engineer, Charles Lei, and R&D team realize how inconvenient traditional hairdryers are. The cordless hairdryer is thus developed for giving better using experience to female users. It takes 2 years from product design, tests, and improvement to trial production. And finally, the one meeting daily needs, LYLUX cordless hairdryer appears. We truly hope that cordless hairdryer products continue to be upgraded for brightening a pleasant experience of hair care to female users. And we do appreciate your support in future journey. Thank you very much.